Hello, beloved audience. Welcome to my new another video. Today, I am in a beautiful place. Guess where I am? It is called Islamnagar. It is located in Takukan district. Basically, it is located in the northern region of Bangladesh. And today is a very special day for all of us because it is the birth anniversary of our great religious leader, whom called Ulul Adham Pir Sahib. That means a highly respected spiritual leader. So we love and respect him very much. And you can see behind me that there are many cows. Why? Which cow have been brought here? If you want to know, I will talk. I will say that basically they have been brought to make tabarak. That means blessed food. So for this, it has been, and many followers have come from different places. So you can see, and very soon
The cows will be slaughtered.
and then we will cook all together, and you can see all people are working here with joy and love. And what's happening here, we can wanted to know from someone. So this is my friend. He will describe what's happening here.
Hello.
Please, what do you think about this? What's happening here? Can you us?
What is happening here is very, very interesting. I think it's pretty hot there. It's pretty painful. My head is itching continuously.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
What is the main things behind this? What is happening here?
What's you have already told it, don't you?
Yeah, do you have any extra things to say about this?
Extra things. I don't know the extra things. Then you.
Okay, no problem. So today is enough. I will come in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this.